Hey, welcome to part one of practicality. I'm going to start listing off various firearms and their capabilities that I own myself, and we'll talk about how practical they are for what reasons. And thank you for getting me up to 200 subscribers as of time of recording. I noticed it yesterday after I just finished posting yesterday's short that we have 200 subscribers, and it's nice to think that there are 200 people out there that at least think that I might be entertaining and or giving some type of practical advice. Today's firearm is the Derringer. This one here is chambered in 410 shotgun 45 Colt made by Bond Arms. This is the rough and rowdy model. Is 2 shots and that's it. It has a external safety and is a single action trigger, meaning that you pull back the hammer once, you get one fire. If you want to think about video game logic and whatnot, its accuracy is at the bottom of the bar, which means that your acceptable range with it is nearly non-existent. If you take a look, or if I can get a light in here, if we look down the barrel, don't mind the marks on the top one, that's the one that it sits in the rack with, but if we look in there, you can see that the rifling doesn't go very far. And here's the other end of it. Let's see if I can get it into focus right. You can see smooth bore all the way down until that very end where we got about half an inch of rifling. Now it's smooth bore so far down because that entire area is actually the full chamber for a 2.5 inch 410 shotgun shell, and that little bit of rifling down there at the end is mainly to help spread out any kind of payload that you might do for either double-aught buck, birdshot, special self-defense rounds, just to kind of help spread out the area. So what that means for a 45 Colt cartridge that you put in there, it's just traveling down a smooth bore and then getting spun just the slightest amount at the end of the muzzle, and doesn't do great things for accuracy. Meaning to more effectively use this firearm, you would need to be right up on the person, preferably making contact to ensure you don't miss, but can have some distance, but not nearly as much as you would have with a normal firearm. So practical uses as a last resort or as a kind of varmint firearm, like if you're out in the wilderness and you come across a rattlesnake and rather not get bit by it, you decide to take it out, that's your best bet. But if y'all want to get one for yourselves, y'all stay safe out there.